Founded in 1996, Wanjiahong Stainless Steel was established in Foshan, China's stainless steel hub. After nearly 3 decades of growth, Wanjiahong expanded its production base to Taishan, Jiangmen, embracing intelligent manufacturing at scale. As a director-level member of the Provincial Stainless Steel Association, Wanjiahong actively participates in drafting industry standards. Wanjiahong 4 proprietary brands: Wanjiahong, Gangzhou, Zhonggongkong, and Jiajianhong. The group serves both domestic markets and international clients, backed by reliable quality and attentive service.
We aggressively expand overseas trade, exporting products to Southeast Asia, Europe, the Middle East, America, and beyond. Reliable quality and attentive service wins us lasting trust with our global partners.
The group operates 2 modern production bases in Foshan, Chengkan, and Taishan. Supported by 10 logistics hubs across China. Headquartered in Foshan, Wanjiahong provides integrated production, spanning over 100,000 square meters. Warehousing, logistics, and after-sales services, ensuring fast ready stock delivery nationwide.